What's going on, guys? Professor Mike back again, ready to teach you guys a little something new. We're going to be taking out the BBK 73mm throttle body, and we're actually going back to stock. I know, sounds a little weird, but hey, I made a video on this a couple months ago, and if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. I'll put a link in the description so you can see how I felt about this BBK throttle body. Well, as you can see, I'm taking it off, so yeah, it's probably not my favorite mod that I've done to the car, and I can actually probably sell this and get a better return on my money, because honestly, I have not felt anything different when getting this car or getting this mod on. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this, or I'm going to show you how to take this off, and we'll go step by step, and we'll go ahead and put this stock throttle body back on, and I'm going to have this up for sale. So stay tuned, guys. All right, so first what we're going to do is we're going to take these off with our flathead screwdriver. So we'll take, actually, you know what? We can probably just take this one off, or you know what? We'll do both. We'll do both. All right, next, you're going to want to pull this red tab back and pull it off just like that, and let it stay just like this. So now we got the clips off. We just pulled this red tab off. We're going to go ahead and take this intake tube off. All right, so we got the intake tube off, and here is going to be the hardest part, getting this off the throttle body. I suggest you use a flathead, or not a flathead, pair of pliers with a flat tip, obviously, and obviously use two hands, and you're going to want to clamp it, and you're going to pull with both hands, try to pull this thing off. But let me tell you, getting this thing on the first time was probably the hardest thing ever, or getting it off to get the BBK one on there was the hardest thing. So it's going to take a little while, but you'll be able to get it. So I'll let you guys know how long it took me to get this off. Okay, that took like a minute. It wasn't that bad. Basically, like I said, use that pair of pliers, put two hands on the pliers, pull it, and then pull it from this side. Pull from this side first, and then pull from this side. It'll come right out, it'll slide right out. And you're ready to get these 4 bolts off. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are going to use a Allen wrench to get those all off. All right, took the bolts off. There it is. And we're putting the stock one back on with the 4 bolts. So we're going to do this whole thing in reverse. And so there we go. That is it all back together. Little baby throttle body, but hey, it's all good. We have it back in here. So there it is. It has the bolts. I'll go ahead and sell it. And I got the grill. So we took the grill off too. Whew. But yeah, so that is it right there, guys. Definitely have to get this degreased and all cleaned up and oiled again, because that is looking pretty gray, so that's not good. And then let's see what else. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and just dust this down, hose it off, make sure it looks good. All right, so let's go ahead and start this up, make sure that it actually works and that I didn't do anything wrong. Here we go. Everything looks good. Go check engine light. All right, so that's it right there. Oh, that's a pain. That is a pain to do. That really is. The videos online make it look so easy when you watch the BBK company do it, but it takes time getting that that modular intake tube off the throttle body. That is hard, and it's stuck on there. You gotta yank it. But like I said, just use those flathead pliers, and we're good to go. All right, so guys, that's it right there. If you found this video helpful, leave it a like, comment, so that YouTube will share it with other people, and so that they can see how things go. Other than that, next week we'll have a video up We're gonna have videos every single week from here on. So just stay tuned, subscribe. If you're a new listener, my name's Professor Mike. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.